welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am back with another video. The whole weekend I didn't post anything. I'm sorry about that, but usually on the weekends I'm like really busy. But I'm back with another video, and this time is basically getting the URL. Oh, and also fun fact, today is MLK holiday in the United States, which means we don't have school, and which means that I have time to create YouTube videos. So, this program basically gets the URL of Google, basically, and I can specify. Oh, that's a lot of commented out code. I'm sorry, but so I plug in Google Chrome, and as the comment tells me, only Google Chrome works right now. And if I plug in like Edge or something, it would get the URLs from Edge. But right now we're gonna run it, and since I have like Google Chrome over here, like you can see, Reddit, stuff like that, run. And see, it prints out Reddit, the title, and then also the URL, which is like so cool. And then I can go to like Google Chrome. Yeah, I'm browsing this guest. I don't need y'all seeing my search history. And then so there's no URL, honestly. And then that is what happens when there's no like definite title, and since Google Chrome doesn't have a definite title, like since this is like the basic page, then it's just gonna say that. And I made it say that actually, but we can change that if you want to. So instead of site with personal password, site without official title. There we go. And then now we can run it and see it change. See, it changes. And I also print out equal signs just to like separate for each second, because it runs like every second, time out sleep 1, and gets the new URL. So in all overall, I think it's pretty cool, and this is just my code. I know there's like a lot of comments, so I'm sorry. And yeah, you can tell me if you think this is interesting or not, because I think it's cool. Bye.